These are Copic Sketch Markers, and you probably already know the precision, rich quality, and flawless color that Copic delivers. But did you know you can extend the life of your Copic markers by mastering control and care, using light pressure, layer color on color to create depth? Copic gets richer with every pass. For seamless blends, work quickly, and blend while the ink's still wet. Overlap strokes from light to dark for beautiful transitions. The Colorless Blender isn't just clear, it's your blending, fading, and highlight tool in one. Maintain your tools. Clean nibs regularly, and when they're worn, replace them. The brush nib is your go-to for versatility and control. Store markers flat to prevent ink pooling and ensure even flow. And when your favorite marker fades, don't toss it. Refill it. Copic Sketch refills bring your essential shades back to life with original, consistent color.